We're going to fix these grab rails and support rails typically used for the disabled or any normal bathroom. We're going to use these fixings, the GeeFix fixings, and they're newly developed and ideal for this installation. These fixings are made to go into sort of blockwork or stud work, but this we're going to fix into the cavity, and we're going to do this by using these two fixing points. Install the fixing, it will be at this angle which will span these two holes like that. So when it's fixed, we can then fix into the fixing across its length, which this is a curtain rail or a small little bracket, which we used along the length like that. Mark the fixing in the position like that. There's one fixing hole, the other fixing hole, which is there and there. Then strike a line across that, and in the centre, that's the point where you drill for the fixing. You assemble it like that, and you put it into the cavity, and then you align. You can simply do this, line the fixing along this length like that. We can use this to plug down, and then you insert the centre screw and then tighten it while pulling on the cord. Pull quite firmly on the cord because this stops the backplate rotating. Now it's tightening now, so you can then pull the cord out and use these two little screws that's supplied with the kit. This will hold the backplate in position. So now the backplate running across there like that. It's good to put a little pilot hole into the backplate. That's drilled through the backplate there and there. Same on the bottom. And there we have it. That's really strong. And each fixing has a tensile strength that's pulling it out this way. Each fixing of 71 kilograms. So that's really strong. That's very, very secure. Now I'm going to fix this. This is a support rail by a toilet. This just folds away like that. Now these are really difficult to fix and almost impossible to fix onto plasterboard as it is. Now I have a piece of wood, a support for this bracket which will fit there. Again, install it, mount these vertical like that. You can feel, start to fit the screw by hand, you can feel it once it's gone in. Pull firmly on the cord, that's it, pull it out, install two side screws. Remove the centre screw, not the screw by hand, you can just feel that it's bitten. Same again, pull it firmly on the cord, tighten. Position it. So mount it. Once you have two, the rest will line up then. Now these fixings are all in the cavities, not in the stud work. Now we'll use these coach bolts. Use it. That is a really strong fix and really should support my weight.